What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a major update on Solana. The way it's dropping at the moment is not normal, so that's what we're going to be going through today, looking at what is going on with Solana. Is it going to recover, or is it going to keep dropping in value, especially with what's happened to Terra Luna? It's a lot of people are going to question it as to why, instead of recovering slowly and steadily, why is it keep on dropping in value. As you can see here, looking at the monthly chart of Solana, since the major crypto crash that's taken place, it hasn't even tried to recover. Other than that, it's just been dropping in value more and more over the last couple of weeks. So is it going to keep dropping? Is it going to recover? Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it just time to hold on to this crypto? That's what we're going to be looking at into today, as a lot of people have been asking me a lot of different questions. So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, as well as both short-term and long-term investors. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So over the last day, more or less, it has fluctuated, but it did hit a bottom of, let's have it, $35.66 earlier this morning. Has recovered a little bit ever since then, but it's still low compared to how it was performing before. Over the week, 12% down, and over the month, a massive 56% down in a single month. So over half its value has been wiped off in 1 month's time. So let's get straight into it. And obviously, going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has also gone down by 13% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $1.2 billion. Don't get me wrong, that is still a huge amount of money that is being traded on Solana, but because it's one of the top 10 cryptos, most people are just holding on to it at the moment, and that is why you're seeing the trading volume gone down over the last 24 hours. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we've also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Solana at valuing Solana at $46.73. However, it is trading at a slightly lower value at $37, meaning it is not performing too well, and is performing lower than it is expected. So yeah, it's not too well at the moment. So Solana suffered its second outage in a month, sending price plunging. So that is one of the reasons why we're seeing Solana drop in value. As you can see here, Solana fell more than 12% on Wednesday as the blockchain suffered its second outage in the last month. Investors who had been focused largely on Ethereum began diversifying into Solana and other alternative blockchains during last year's crypto run-up. But the last year and a half has laid bare the trade-off, as the blockchain network has suffered multiple outages, which again, guys, makes you question, should you hold on to it, should you sell it? As you can see, Solana, one of the largest cryptocurrencies after Bitcoin and Ether, fell more than 12% on Wednesday as its blockchain suffered its second outage in the last month. Validators in the network were not processing new blocks for several hours. Applications built on Solana's blockchain were taken offline as a result. The Twitter account Solana Status flagged the incident about 1 p.m. Eastern. To fix the latest outage, validators had to restart following instructions linked to from this same Twitter account, which later said the outage lasted 4.5 hours. In recent years, Solana has been gaining traction in the NFT and DeFi ecosystems because it's cheaper and faster to use than Ethereum. This blockchain processes 50,000 transactions per second, and its average cost per transaction is 0.00025 cents, according to its website. Ethereum can only handle roughly 13 transactions per second, and transactions fee are substantially more expensive than Solana. Yeah, guys, Ethereum gas fees are just crazy. Investors who have been focused largely on Ethereum began diversifying into Solana and other alternative blockchains during last year's crypto run-up, and Solana closed a $314 million private token sale led by this person here and Polychain Capital in 2021. But the last year and a half has laid bare the trade-off, as the blockchain network has suffered multiple outages, most recently on the 1st of May, which was about 4 or 5 weeks ago. Solana locked up for several hours before it was similarly brought back online following a restart of its validators network. So they are suffering as well. They are, going through some technical difficulty, shall I call it. But again, is that sustainable? Does that make it look good? Does that make it look bad? Is it going to last? That is one of the main questions asked by a lot of people, including myself. Obviously, I'm still doing my research, still doing my analysis on this crypto, looking at it. Again, I myself, I am invested into Solana. I haven't bought any recently, but yeah, I will be looking into it, and if needs to be, I will be moving my Solana into different cryptos. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the daily chart of Solana. So we're going to move into the 30-minute chart. Zooming in here, we've got the blue line and the orange line just about looking bullish, going in a positive direction, meaning very minimal increases in value are expected over the coming hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect an increase in value. However, nothing too crazy, potentially going maximum to about $39, $39.50 is what I'm expecting. I'm not expecting a major increase in value or anything like that. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days are again looking quite bullish, going in a positive direction. However, dips are always part of the process. I'm expecting it to take a slight dip in between as well, potentially to about $36, $35, and then going back up in value towards the end of next week to approximately around $40. But again, it's not a major increase in value or anything like that. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, as you can see, the blue line and the orange line were going in a positive direction, but right now they are going in a straight line. They have started to flatten out, meaning more or less is going to be fluctuating at the current price range around $37. But again, this graph doesn't know anything about the outages that's taking place, any outages that are about to come, or if there are any. So these things are not something that a graph like this graph here can predict. So guys, it all depends on Solana. If they have any more technical issues like more outages and so on, then we could see more drops on Solana, potentially going below the $30 mark. But obviously, if there are any such things, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So speaking on Solana, again, I did mention I may be swapping my Solana to different cryptos. If you guys want to find out what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, or any transfers, and want daily price updates and predictions on cryptos like Bitcoin and other cryptos as well, all you guys need to do is subscribe to my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left for this discount here, because after that, after 100 people join, it will increase to $29.99. But don't worry, for the first 100 people that join for $14.99, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. So what does this group chat include? I'll show you guys what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, and obviously give you guys analysis on different cryptos like Bitcoin, to what to expect from Bitcoin that day, that week, as well as sometimes I even update you twice a day depending on how volatile the crypto market is, answering your questions, any queries you guys may have. And as you can see, someone has asked me to provide them with Solana and Ethereum analysis, which I have done on the below. But obviously this is just a screenshot of the chat just to show you guys. But again, any questions, any queries you guys may have, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, if you're ready to sign up, then yes, the link is in the description box down below. So far Solana is not looking too good, guys. I'm expecting it overall over the next couple of weeks to slowly and steadily drop in value, potentially to about $33, $34. But again, it all depends on any updates or any news I come across. Solana has been one, I wouldn't say the trending topic, but one of the trending cryptos out there with the crashes that's taken place and so on. But I will make sure to keep you guys updated. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Solana, a highly requested video. I will try and keep you guys updated on a more regular basis on Solana, at least about 2-3 times a week, just to keep you guys in the loop of what's going on, my predictions, my takes, and any latest updates or news and so on. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel before you click off, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. Once I do that, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.